subscribe.
Hi everybody, you're welcome. Today I'm just going to show you some installation that I'm doing. I've just arrived at this house today and I am going to install a 5.2 kilowatt system to power the house that you are seeing at the back there. So I'll be showing you what I'll be doing for this house today. Join me and enjoy yourself as you follow through. You're welcome. I appreciate your company today, and may God bless you richly as you join me today. First things first, I started by drilling holes on the wall to mount the inverter. It was exciting because the wall was easy to drill through. The next stage was for me to insert the wall mounting plugs into the holes I drilled. At this stage, I had to use the hammer to knock them in a little bit. Then I had to lift the inverter and mount it on the wall carefully. This can be a very daunting task if you are doing the installation alone. And most times I install these things by myself. I had a bit of struggle to mount this inverter because it was a little bit heavy for me. But however, I managed to mount it on the wall. Most people might never appreciate such a thing, but for me, it brings me a lot of joy and a lot of fulfillment at every stage that I've accomplished in terms of installations. Now comes the time to tighten the screws at the top of the inverter. And down at the bottom of the inverter. The following day, we had to climb on the roof to prepare the rails for the installation of solar panels. This was beginning to be the climax of the installation. The skies were so clear on this particular day. It was a wonderful day to generate power using solar panels. What a day it was. I can see that the owner of the house will soon be exempted from those power failures and load shedding. We can clearly see that solar power generators are quickly becoming an alternative to other sources of power. This is so true for Zambia, and not only Zambia, but other parts of the world as well.
Please help grow Rod's YouTube channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing.
it's time to complete the termination of cables, and as well as putting our cables in order in the trunking, and we're gonna soon fire up this great guy. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel. I tried the inverter and it was powering very nice. But I still have to put the cables in order by inserting them in the trunkings.
Thank you for watching.